Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is filling in reasons for proving triangles are congruent. So let's get started with the questions. The first one says fill in the reasons in the proof and we're given triangle CAT and triangle DOG. Now how we fill in the reasons in the proof is that we have to create a two-column proof with statement and a reason for the statement. So this is basically a two-column proof where the first column is the statement while the second column is the reason. So we have to fill in the reasons for every statement. Now let's see what is given to us. TA is congruent to GO. So let's mark it. TA is congruent to GO and we write it over here. Side TA is congruent to side GO. This is given to us. So we write given. Now the next thing is given to us is that angle T is congruent to angle G. Let's mark it and we write angle T is congruent to angle G. This is again given to us. Third statement is angle A is congruent to angle O. Let's mark it angle A with a double marking to show that these two angles are congruent. This is also given to us. Now we see that we are given three statements which are enough to prove that triangle CAT is congruent to triangle DOG. Now let's see which theorem is this. This is side, this is angle, and this is angle. Now here we see that the side, that is this side, are included between the two angles, that is between angle T and angle A we have side AT, and between angle G and angle O we have side GO. So that means this is ASA theorem, that is angle, side and angle theorem. So this is our two-column proof and this is how we write it down. I hope this is clear. Let's move on to the next question. Fill in the reasons in the proof and we're given two triangles, that is triangle COW and triangle PIG. So our two-column proofs, the headings are statement and reason, and let's see, we're given CO is congruent to PI, that is the two sides are congruent. This is given to us. Then the second is OW, that is side OW is congruent to side GI. This is also given to us. And then the next statement is CW is congruent to GP, and this is also given to us. Now we see that the three sides are congruent to each other, that is corresponding sides. So triangle COW is congruent to triangle PIG with the SSS theorem, that is a side 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 theorem. So this is the statement and the reason table, that is the proof table, and this is how we write it. Let's proceed to the next question. Fill in the reasons in the proof and we're given, this is the figure given to us, and we have to prove that triangle SAT is congruent to triangle SAD. So first we write our statement and then reason. Now let's see what all is given to us. Angle T is congruent to angle D, so we mark it. Angle T is congruent to angle D. This is given to us. Then we have angle TAS, that is this angle over here, is congruent to angle DAS, that is DAS is this angle. This is also given to us. Now we are only given two things, so we have to look for the third thing for the triangles to be congruent. We see that side SA belongs to both the triangles. So we say SA is congruent to SA. This is the reflexive property. Now we can prove that the two triangles are congruent. That is, triangle SAT is congruent to triangle SAD. This is the angle side property. Two angles and one side, but the side is not included. So AAS is a theorem or the postulate that satisfies the congruency of the two triangles. This is our statement and the reason. That is a two-column proof for the same. I hope filling in reasons for proving triangles are congruent is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.